This theorem number 6. If two triangles are equiangular, then the ratio of their corresponding sides is the same as the ratio of the corresponding medians. Means if there are two triangles, first is ABC and second is DEF, and these triangles are equiangular, means corresponding angles are equal. Since corresponding angles are equal, then these triangles are also similar. Then the ratio of their corresponding sides is same as the ratio of corresponding medians. Let it is AP and DQ are the medians of triangle. Given in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, angle A is equal to angle D, angle B equal angle E, angle C equal angle F, EP and DQ are medians from vertex E and D to the sides BC and EF respectively on both triangles. To prove, we have to prove that the ratio of the medians AP by DQ is equal to the ratio of corresponding side. Corresponding to AP is BC and corresponding to DQ is EF. Means BC by EF. Now proof. In triangle ABC and triangle DEF, angle A is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E, angle C is equal to angle F. Means corresponding angles are equal or triangle are equiangular, then the triangle are similar. Means triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, and if triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are proportional. AB by DE is equal to BC by EF is equal to AC by DF. Corresponding sides are proportional. Now we take AB by DE is equal to BC by EF. Since P and Q are midpoint of side BC and EF respectively, then BC is equal twice BP and EF is equal twice EQ. Since P is the midpoint, then 2 times of BP is equal to BC and 2 times of EQ is equal to EF. Then we have from above expression AB by DE is equal, put the value of BC which is twice BP and put the value of EF which is twice EQ, and AB by DE is equal to BP by EQ. Means AB by DE is equal to BP by EQ. In triangle ABP and triangle DEQ, we have AB by DE is equal to BP by EQ. Also angle B is equal to angle E, and we know that if one angle of a triangle is equal to the corresponding angle of other triangle and the sides including the angle are proportional, means angle B is equal to angle E and the sides including AB and BP, the angle B is proportional to the sides including angle E, means DE and EQ, then these triangles are similar. It is third condition of similarity, and since these triangles are similar, we have AB by DE is AP by DQ. AB by DE is equal to AP by DQ, but AB by DE is already equal to BC by EF. Then BC by EF is equal to AP by DQ, and it is proved. Means AB by DE is equal to BC by EF, and AB by DE is already equal to AP by DQ, then AP by DQ is equal to BC by EF, and it is proved.